Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Yes. So today let us start off with English term 2. Right? Now take out your term 2 textbook. Today we'll be dealing with a poem. Okay? Open to page number 5. We'll be talking about the poem Dragon Feast. Okay? Today we are going to look into a poem that is Dragon Feast. Yes, so word is very funny, right? And even the picture given in the textbook is also very funny, right? Now, you know dragons, children? Yeah. What are those dragons? Are they human beings? Are they birds? They are animals, right? And can you find dragon? Yeah? Can we find dragon anywhere around us? No. So, dragons were the animals who were living long ago. Okay? All those animals are gone. That is called extinct. Okay? Extinct means they have died because weather has changed. Okay? The food has changed. So, when all the changes took place, the dragons, they couldn't survive. So all of them, they died. Okay, those animals which you cannot find now are called extinct animals. Okay, in that we have dragon. You cannot find dragon now. Okay, this is a small, I think it's a small funny poem. Okay, what is feast? Any idea, children? What is a feast? Yeah, feast means it's a large meal. Okay, a very big meal. Meal is different varieties of food are served. Okay, then you eat. That is called as a meal. Right, children? You have a meal in the afternoon and you have a meal in the night. And you have your breakfast in the morning. So, the afternoon meal is called lunch and the evening meal or the night meal is called as dinner. Right? We eat only limited food. Right? We eat one curry, we eat one dal, we eat a sambar or a rasam, okay, and a small chutney, okay, some little rice, rotis, curries, different varieties of curries. Our meal is very small. So, but in this poem, the dragon is given a very large meal. Right, children? Okay. Now, Dragon Feast. This poem was written by Moira Andrew. Okay, now let's look into it. If you want to feed a dragon, start with something hot. Okay, now do you feel like giving a meal to a dragon? Oh, if you are interested, then you have to start with something which is very hot. Spicy prawns in Vindaloo. See here the word? Vindaloo, spicy gone curry. So, some curry that is named as, that is prepared by gone. Okay, it is spicy, is very karam, spicy, masala more. Okay, that is spicy. So, you start with a hot and a spicy prawns in Vindaloo. So, nice curry, prawns curry which is prepared. Okay, the fiercest that you have got. What is fiercest? Spiciest. Spiciest means very hot. Very hot and take karam. Okay. Masala more. Karam more. Okay. So, you have to give a dragon a meal which is very hot and spicy. Can you have? Papa, I can't have it. No spicy. Okay. So, we are giving the dragon here. They like all kinds of fiery food. Fiery here means very spicy food. Okay? Very spicy food. Red hot chilies, pickled limes. So how the chilies? They are very red and hot. And pickled limes. So pickle which is prepared from the lime. Sausage in mustard. Sausages in the mustard. Peppered crab. Means what? A crab which is being peppered. Pepper is also very spicy, no? So, a crab which is being given lot of peppering. Okay? With the toast burned 14 times. So, how many times you have to burn the toast? 14 times. then only it is suitable for the dragon. Follow this with deep fried mango. Okay, out of all this, again you are giving what you should give to dragon, a deep fried mango in a burnt vinegar sauce. So a big vinegar sauce, you have to burn the mango. Okay, nicely burn it and apply sauce to it, and some of the very strong mints to finish with, of course. Okay, after all this, some good mint, which is very tasty. Okay, yeah, even mint here, what we have, pudina is a mint. Okay, so strong mint finally you have to give to the dragon, so that will complete the meal, and this meal is a very large meal for the dragon. Okay, now let us see once again the poem. If you want to give dragon something to eat, if you want to feed it, give it something hot and spicy. Prawns, if you want to feed a dragon, start with something hot. Spicy prawns and vindaloo and the ficus that you have got. They like all kinds of fiery food, red hot chilies, pickled limes, sausages and mustard, peppered crab with toast burned 14 times. Follow this with deep fried mango in a burnt vinegar sauce and some of the very strongest mints to finish with, of course. Right? So, this is a small menu for the dragon. Okay, what all we have here, I'll revise it once again. So, if you want to offer a feast to dragon, you should give dragon very hot and spicy food. Okay, spicy prawns, then spiciest of the spiciest you should bring, and red hot chilies you should bring. You should give even the pickled lime. Okay, and mustard, sausage in mustard, then peppered crab, and toast all this with toast. You have to toast it how many times? 14 times. Now apart from all this, you have to give the dragon a big deep fried mango which is burnt in the vinegar sauce. And after all this, to give a conclusion, to give an end, to give a finish to the meal, you should give a dragon the strongest mint. Right? So, I hope you enjoyed. Will you call a dragon now and give a feast? I am not ready. Hope you are also not. Right? Okay. Thank you, children.